Good morning, guys. What is up? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Kayla Jukic. This is part 2 of my Maldives honeymoon trip. Part 1 ended on Sunday. Part 2 was actually supposed to start yesterday on Monday. However, Mother Nature was not cooperating. She was raining on my parade. Literally, when I tell you that it rained all day long, pouring. It is monsoon season here, so we were actually lucky. The first day we got here, it was raining, and then the past couple of days, it was sunny and hot, so we got to do a lot of stuff outside. But yesterday, it was absolutely pissing rain from the time we woke up till the time we went to bed. So I figured I wasn't gonna vlog just because we weren't doing much, but also I just wanted a day to like recuperate. I slept, I took a couple naps, and it was really much needed, just relaxing, chilling in our room. Today is very hot, but it's not super sunny. It is a bit cloudy, but it's not really raining. Since it's not super sunny, I think we're gonna actually go play a lot of like activities. They have basketball here, they have volleyball, they have ping pong. There's a lot of activities here for us to do, and we haven't really done any of them because on the sunny days we were in the pool, we were in the beach, we were in the ocean, that kind of stuff. So I think since it's not like super sunny, we're gonna go try some activities out, and I think we're gonna start with basketball.
One win for me.
1-1. Hopefully now I'm gonna kick Alan's butt in ping pong. He's winning though. What is it, 2-2 or 2-1?
I think, well, he says 2-1, I says 2-2.
Okay, so we're gonna do 2-2.
I'll smoke you. Best of 3. Good luck.
All right, 3-2 for me. We're both sweating. So hot. So we're gonna go to the room. We're gonna do body showers. He's gonna get a shirt, and then we're going for lunch. So it is a little bit later now. It actually just turned 7 p.m. and as you can see by how I look, I just got out of the shower. We honestly chilled in that main lobby and just played Mario Kart as you saw, and then after we played a game of Mario Party, and that took like an hour. We had 2 drinks, we ate some snacks and food, and we just chilled out because it was kind of rainy. It's stopped now, which is really nice. We came back, Alan's actually taking a nap, so I decided to take a shower. And honestly, I just want to have a little chit chat with you guys and talk about my day and what's been going on and that kind of stuff, because I feel like I haven't done one of these in so long. I washed my hair, I washed my body, so first things first is I am going to moisturize everywhere. Honestly, this resort comes in clutch because they have absolutely everything. So what I've been using is just this lotion that they've been providing. So 1, I'm in the sun, but 2, it's dry, right? So it's so easy for my skin to get dry, and this has just been keeping me moisturized, and also it's keeping my tan, which is the most important. What I'm gonna do now is my face. I brought products that I use literally every single day at home because I didn't want to bring something that I'm not used to using, and then being in the heat and the humidity and all of that, and my skin possibly break out. If you guys have been following along on my channel, this is what I use every morning and at night. I'm actually really surprised because usually I always burn on trips, even though I put sunscreen on a million times. And my face especially gets burnt, like especially my cheek area, and I didn't burn my face at all, which is really nice. So I've been using this cream, obviously 1, to stay hydrated and moisturized, but 2, to help keep my tan, because That's what's gonna, like, when it stays moisturized and hydrated, it's not gonna peel. I got this from a FabFitFun box, but it's just an eye serum. And then with the little eye serum, I just put a little dab under my eye and I kind of just rub it in. I go especially underneath and then sometimes a little bit up and around. Also, we get these robes in our room and they're so nice. I've been wearing them all the time. Like, I've been even wearing it to bed sometimes, or like when I'm taking a nap. Oh my God, there's a huge ant. Where'd it go now? That little guy, well, he was a little guy. That was a big guy. I just killed it. Honestly, it's been raining the past 2 days and we have noticed so much more ants than the other days, which is really weird. So not a big deal because they're just ants. Thank God it's not any other bug. The only last thing I'm gonna do is just brush out these lashes and then I'm gonna put my outfit on and we're gonna go to dinner. And this is the final look. So hair straight. I honestly just put this dress on. I don't even know what it is. It's not zebra print. It kind of looks like it, but I got it from Lulu's. It has a nice little slit. You guys can't see, but it's a midi dress. Like, it doesn't go all the way down, and I'm just gonna wear sandals with that. It has a little like ruching here, straps, and they tie into bows at the top. It's super cute. I've been feeling really bloated just from all of the food, all of the drinking. I'm not really working out, so feeling bloated. So I wanted something on that wasn't tight or anything. But yeah, this is it. I'm going to dinner now. It is like 7:40-ish. Alan, I need to wake him up. He is still sleeping. But I think that's probably all for today. I mean, I'll pick up the camera again if it's not, but I think it might be just because we were talking about having an early night. So tomorrow's our last day, so we want to wake up and make sure we make it a full day. So I'll probably catch you guys then. Good morning, guys. Welcome to our last full day here in Maldives. I am so sad. So it is Tuesday. We have a full day here. We are leaving tomorrow, which is Wednesday, very, very early. Our flight is at 9 a.m. So we're probably going to be leaving the resort at like 5 or 6 a.m. We got up this morning and it pissed rain for like 15 minutes, but now the sun is out and it is gorgeous. We actually went and walked to the beach and we took some pictures. We went to the other side of the resort because we really haven't walked there much because this place is so big. We had breakfast and now we are gonna head to the pool and we are just gonna hang out today and enjoy our last day. There is going to be Zumba at 10:30 and I think I'm going to do it. So you guys will catch me for that. This is the bikini of the day from Gabby Cheyenne's collection Night Swim. Or not her collection, but her brand. Literally one of my favorite bikinis. It's so pretty. So pretty. I forget what it's called, but very nice. Find some lights in here because it is so dark, but it is 6:30. Honestly, we just had a super chill day today. We hung out with a couple that we met from Israel. We've literally been with them the entire week. They're so amazing, so nice, and we just chilled by the pool. The day was freaking amazing. I literally burned. You probably can't tell on the camera. I'm not super burnt, but like I'm a tiny bit red. It was really cloudy and honestly it's super deceiving. I still put sunscreen on though and I still got a little bit red. So super crazy. Obviously you saw already, I pretty much montaged today's vlog just because like I said, it was super chill. Plus we were outside and I don't have the wind thing for my camera, so you wouldn't have been able to hear us anyways. It was a really enjoyable full last day here. I am so sad to leave, but we are going back to Dubai for 2.5 days, so I'm super stoked about that. Right now I am going to shower and get changed. Pretty much gonna do everything you saw yesterday, that whole little routine, and then we are gonna head to dinner. All right, friends, so it is time to pack because we are leaving tomorrow. I'm so sad. And honestly, you know how earlier I said I was a little bit red? I don't know if you can tell in the camera. Let me show you my back. I don't know if you can tell. I'm gonna have to see when I'm editing this video. I don't know how I got burnt. I have no idea. The sun is way too hot here, and don't come for me because I have been wearing sunscreen all freaking week. I put it on multiple times a day, and it's just way too hot here. Way too hot. I don't know what to say. But anyways, it is like 10:15. I need to get packing done because I need to get to bed. Everything is pretty much in my suitcase. I just kind of have to organize it because it's a little bit of a mess. And I really want to put like my nice clothes on one side or this side, and then like my pajamas, bathing suit, shorts, athletic wear on this side type of thing. And honestly, I'm the worst. It's been like a week and a half and I'm kind of like over my clothes. So I'm just like, I'm not folding them as nice as I would as if like I was packing to come to vacation. Now that I'm on vacation and I'm almost done, I'm just like kind of going like this, and I'm like, so the people that clean our room, they do it twice a day, once in the morning, once at night. And this morning we went for breakfast, and he usually cleans our room when we go for breakfast, and we came back to this. The guy literally folded all of Alan's clothes. Like his suitcase has been on this like couch thing just like this pretty much the whole week. He's been living in his suitcase like that. And the clothes that were here, not in his suitcase, they were kind of just on this couch, he folded them all. Like it's literally like shorts, shirts, there's some underwear in there. And we were like, wow, we couldn't believe it. That was honestly so much easier than I thought. So I have my carry-on, my fanny pack, I have the clothes I'm gonna wear tomorrow, and then these I'll probably change into on the airplane because it's always freezing, and luggage is done. So I'm going to wheel it, if it would wheel straight, to the front door because it's getting picked up at 5:45 a.m. Great. Those are my shoes that I'm going to wear tomorrow. This is all Alan's stuff he needs to put away, and this is all Alan's stuff. But I will catch you guys tomorrow. I'm going to actually take you with me in the morning because I want to show you guys the Maldives airport. It is so small, but I'm not going to talk about it too much now. We'll talk tomorrow. 5:53 a.m. and we are out the door saying goodbye.
I saw the city passing by my window. Was in the crowd, but I felt so alone.
As sad as it is officially time to leave. So we have to take this speedboat back to the airport. It was about a 15-minute ride. So when you walk into the airport, basically this is what you're going to see. This is the main area. This is where you're going to be checking in. There's a total of 28 check-in desks, but honestly, I think ours was the only one really that was open. After you check in, you're going to go this way where it says gates 1 to 6, and then when you reach there, it's going to show you departures. You're going to go up these escalators right here. Once you get to the top of the escalators, this is where you're going to be showing your passport and your health vaccination, all of that, or sorry, the health declaration, that sort of stuff. So when you walk up to the top, you're going to see it says Maldivians only for the right side and all other passengers on the left side. So we went to the left side, obviously. Once you pass through there, then there's going to be a couple of stores. Now it's funny, it does say a food court, but it was very small. Now once you've walked through all of the shops, you're going to get to this little area where it says thank you. There's a set of stairs and you're going to have to walk down to them, and it's going to take you to the gate area. So by the gates, there's a coffee shop, there's a Dairy Queen, and another coffee shop, and this is where all 6 gates are. So as you can see, it's very small airport, this being for 6 gates. It's very small. And that wraps up part 2 of this Maldives vlog, heading back to Dubai. So make sure you guys check out those videos. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye!